ومن كام سنة وانا وبحبك انا. Hey guys, today I'm going to make a brand new video, and for today's video, I'm back, bitch! I am back with another, yes, another buying first car accessories video, and boy, we've got some stuff today. You guys are probably like,
can you shut up about buying first car accessories?
Right over there on my bed is all of the car accessories that I've got for today. Boy, I'm excited, right? I think I've bought about 2 of these car accessories, and the rest have been sent out by companies, which I thank every single company for getting involved. All the links to these products will be in the description. Boom. Look at that.
Smash out. I call my hoe and then I smash out. I bought my.
So we have got. I'm ill, just saying. We've got all the parcels behind me, and I'm honestly so excited to open some of these. I think what we're going to do is we're going to do a little speed unboxing of all of these. So we're going to start off with this one, and this one is actually the one I ordered myself. So, boom! So, what it says, it is a smart remote, right? As you guys can see, it's got the controls. It's got play, it's got volume up and down, and then it's got next song. With my car, because it's a 2013 model, it's got these little up and down buttons on the steering wheel, but you can't change the bloody song, and it does my fucking head in. So that is why I got this. Up next is this package right here. Let's open it. Hey! That smells so good already. So in here, oh my god, they sent us 2. Mate, this is lit. This is like Christmas. So, right here, we have got this thing called car cologne. And as you guys can see, this is beautiful. So, what this is, it is an air freshener for your car. But they use, like, designer perfumes and stuff. So, you can choose, like, the typical 1 million by Paco Rabanne. I don't know which one this is. But they look actually insane. How beautiful is that?
Oh my lord, oh my god, that girl, she trained to go. Any hour, any minute, man, she down the road. She so flawless, never worry about no other hoe. Man, I love that brother.
The next thing, I'm not gonna get too into this. This is basically a car magnet, right? So you stick a magnet, one of these, on the back of your phone, and they stick together, and you can stick this on the dash. My other one broke because I had an iPhone SE, and now I have this fat phone, giant. Next car accessory is this thing. This is fucking insane. So I actually need this because my aux is broke. This is a Bluetooth hands-free streaming and audio kit. This one is from ELECWAVE. Boom, boom. So as you guys can see, it's just a cigarette lighter charger thing. So it's got 2 USBs there. It's actually insane what this thing does though. As you can see, it's got a top bit, and you can actually remove that top bit, and this goes into your fucking aux. So this little bit goes into your aux on your car. You can connect to this via Bluetooth, which goes straight into your car's aux, and you don't have any cables hanging around. Now the next thing is this thing. It's the battery one. I'm so excited to see what's in here because I think it's actually sick. That is heavy. So this is ARTECK Jump Starter 18,000 milliamp hour external battery charger. Oh my god, it's got a case. So let's open it. Right, so in here, mate, that is quality right there. Let's take that off. This is a portable charger basically. So you can charge your phone, you can charge literally your laptop or anything on this thing. And also, it's a car jumper. So if you, for example, were out at work, like for example, I work about half an hour away from where I live. If my car was to die, if I was to come back to my car and it was dead overnight, I'd be fucked. This is where this solves everything basically. In this little kit comes these things. This will connect to your portable charger, which you keep in your car, and then you can connect this to the car batteries, and then you can just jump the car without even the need of another car. We'll take a closer look again at this inside the car. And the last thing here, I think we have one more thing coming. We've got a car hoover. Now, tell me who doesn't need a car hoover. So this is a company called GRAMPA. Alright, so first thing we have is this thing. I'm guessing this is to suck up all of the thing from the bit you can't get your hoover down. Then you have the hoover itself, and oh my god, in black. Look at that. Am I actually getting excited over a Hoover? Then inside we've got another like mount for the Hoover, and then we've got a brush, and lastly you get a bag for it. So a quick interruption. There is actually one more item that I haven't unboxed yet, and I'm gonna unbox it right now. And also, if you guys would like one of these products, whatever's in this bag, if you go over to my Instagram, I'm gonna be posting a basically giveaway, and whoever wins will get one of these. Everybody was young. So what we've got right here is a car purifier. Here it is. This is a 2-in-1 car purifier and dual USB charger, and look at that. What this product actually does is it cleans and purifies the air inside the car. It removes bad odors, germs, dust and smoke. I've seen these products online where they basically put glasses of smoke on the purifier, and the smoke just goes. Let's open this and put it in the car. This is gonna be the first product we're putting in. Inside here, we have got the air purifier, and oh my god, like, having this in your car, does that not just look like amazing? But this kind of thing, I kind of like the idea of it, that it purifies the air in the car, because for me, I'm sat in my car for hours. Having this kind of thing, I quite like it. So that is plugged in now. What we'll do right now is we'll turn on the ignition, and oh, look at it. It truly is beautiful. And then obviously it's got the 2 USB ports so you can charge your phone right up here. So without further ado, guys, on to the next products.
A few moments later.
So the first thing we are going to put into the car is this thing. And I've set up all of these products already, so just so that I don't bore you guys with all of the setting up of the Bluetooth. So if we go on my phone and we just turn on Bluetooth, they should all just connect instantly. This is the ELECWAVE Bluetooth audio streaming kit or something. It can either be charged by that little USB, or I'm pretty sure it can be charged like this. So quite literally all you need to do is you need to take that off, and then if we plug that in there, that's in snug, and then let's just turn on my aux. To turn it on, you just hold it down,
power on,
and then there we go, it is on. So if this works, I'm gonna quickly play some non-copyrighted music, because I keep getting copyrighted and it really does my head in. Best non-copyrighted music. And there we go. Literally, it's crystal clear. Ooh, it's actually amazing. Having an aux compared to this, like, not that you need to, but let's say I'm parked up, because I normally am just parked up listening to music, and I'm just stuck with an aux here, and it will reach about here before I have to, like, kind of just go like this. With this, I can have my phone in the back and be playing music. The next thing that we have is, it's so small that I've just lost it. It's like my penis. Now with this, all you have to do is press a button and it will start blinking. Now if I'm correct, if I launch open Spotify, you saw how easy it was to turn on. That's literally it. And it changes the song. Wait, let me turn the music down. So I actually have spent a while trying to look for a place for the remote. I tried it here, it just fell off. Tried it up there, it didn't look very nice and it fell off. So now, I've kind of just got it here where I can up, down, change the song. There we go. All from literally not even moving. Beautiful. Okay, so the next thing is this little magnet thing. I didn't even wipe it down with anything. It looks really good as well. Here are the magnets. So I'm gonna put the magnet actually lower down, like here. There we go. Because we've got no aux anymore, there's not gonna be any dangling wires, which is beautiful. Okay, so up next, we have the car cologne, right? Look at this, it's beautiful. That is so beautiful. So it actually has the instructions on the back of it. So it says unscrew the cover and remove the inner stopper of the bottle. Screw the cover back on. Tilt the bottle upside down for 15 to 10 seconds. Alright, so let's do that right now. So let's unscrew this. So unscrew that. And then remove the stopper. That smells so good. I've just dropped that. So I'll screw the cap back on and then one. Basically all we do now is we just hang it up. I'm happy with that. And my car absolutely smells like luscious. Now then, honestly, we've got 2 more products left, I think. We've got the ARTECK car jumper, and honestly, I've done some research on this. Now, obviously, my car's not dead, so I can't show you guys how it jumps a car. But obviously, it comes with all of these things. It comes with a plug charger. It comes with a cigarette lighter charger, so you can charge it on the way. The car jumper itself with all the car jumper like cables. So here's the thing, and basically to turn it on, you just press that. And also, it's got a fucking flashlight. On the thing, it actually tells you how much percent it's charged. It's got 2 USBs for charging. Shove that in, and then plug that in, and then it's charging. So like, honestly, this thing will save you in the long run if you ever are stranded. Now the last thing is this Hoover. I actually kind of need to hoover my car right now. We'll show a quick demonstration. So it's powered by a cigarette lighter. So you just need to plug this into your car's cigarette lighter. And boom! That's got some suction to it. And also it's got the LED light. So inside my car, it's actually quite dirty. You can see all the crumbs down there. I honestly really hate having a Hoover, an indoor Hoover, and using that to clean my car. And then obviously we've got all the attachments for it. All you need to do is turn on the ignition, and then boom. Oh, I'm a fan of that. And then it's got all of the dirt in there. So yeah, basically, that is actually all of the car accessories for today. So overall, we've got the car magnet, which is sick. We've got the car cologne. We've got the button. We've got the vacuum. We've got the car jumper. We've got the Bluetooth thing. It's been a successful day. Like, recommend everything that I've showed today. Anyway, guys, unfortunately, that is the end of today's video. Hopefully, you guys have enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully, you guys have enjoyed. And I will see your faces. Comment Canon for a subscribe. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see your faces in my next video.
Let's get this cream, let's get this cream. Shouting out shows, I'm on a winning team, ain't no else.